Hello and welcome to another cryptocurrency technical analysis video where today I'm going to talk you through an altcoin which is Tezos. Tezos is a very popular altcoin right now for traders because as you can see right now it just pumped 80% in the last 3 days. It just pumped to the upside. So that's a very big pump for an altcoin. So of course altcoins can do that. Let's go to a higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. So I'm gonna talk you through what's been going on Tezos. So Tezos has gone down for nearly 84% and has been going sideways since the start of the year up to now, which is around 297 days. So Tezos right now is what I think, in my opinion, is in a accumulation phase. So Tezos has just been going sideways like this for the past 300 days, and of course I'm gonna show you some high time frame levels, which is we have our weekly right here. This is a more recent price action. This was taken on the just before August end. So we have our weekly right here, and we have our daily and our monthly level right here. So we rejected off of our weekly, which was like, oh, not that, which is we got a downside to the at least 30%. So that's a big rejection for Tezos. And we have also our key levels right here. So we have our key levels right here. So once we reclaim these levels and hold this as supports, it could be a sign of strength for Tezos, really. So first of all, I'm going to talk you through why we rejected around this level, around our weekly. Of course, it's a weekly level. It's a very high time frame level. Of course, we expect a reaction of the prices right there. But if you take our Fibonacci pull from the high to the all-time low, to the recent low rather, so we had our golden pocket around here, which is in line with our weekly, our 0.66 golden pocket, and also we have our Fibonacci speed fan. If you take it from the high to the recent low, it's also in confluence with the 0.75 speed fan level. So you expect three confluence on a certain level. You expect a reaction on the price level. So that's why we rejected off of the weekly. So right now I'm gonna talk you through the key levels. So what I expect on this accumulation phase of Tezos, once we start claiming these key levels, it's gonna be bullish again for Tezos. So right now we had a rejection off of our very high key level. Okay, once we reclaim this key level, it could be a sign of strength. Right now we had a swing failure pattern, which is we pumped up, grab the liquidity, and close down below the level. So right now it just looks like Tezos completely pumping, but having a rejection off of this big key level is pretty good also, because I expect this accumulation to start. We have days of accumulations left. So once this prices starts going down, I expect a swing failure of this lower key level, okay, which is this key level right here, which is I expect a swing failure off of this low, and expect a high probability trade right now. So in trading altcoin, you don't necessarily need to leverage trade. I personally use spot longs on Bybit. Of course, I chart on Binance, but I trade against USDT pair on Bybit. So once prices starts going down like this, I expect a key level right here and expect a much significant rise after that. So right now Tezos has been looking pretty good right now, but of course if we start reclaiming these levels, it could be an early sign of strength for Tezos, and we could see another pump to the upside. So our next levels, if we reclaim levels, key levels, okay, our next level is of course our daily right here, around here. So we have our, but I just think that this daily level could be weak, and we can obviously go straight through the monthly level. So that's what I expect for Tezos once we start claiming key levels. And of course, we know our trading levels once we start going to the downside. So if you want to learn more about technical analysis, you can join down in the description below. You can join for free, and you can start learning technical analysis on that server. So, and of course, if you're new to the channel, you can just subscribe. And of course, if you want more altcoin updates like Tezos, you can smash that like button. And that's about it. I think I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.